congratulations. 3-1 down. How would you describe that victory?
No, yeah, we come back pretty good with the effort of the whole team, no? Even with the players that they started, try to do their best, and hopefully in the second half we had that in our mind now to try to overcome that, and then, yeah, thankfully we did it. I mean, I want to be in the pitch as much as I can. To be honest, if I need to help my teammates as a substitute, I'll try to do my best, but like I always said, I want to start and to play as many minutes as I can, but hopefully I can keep proving that with scoring goals, assists, or good performances, and then, yeah, we try to get in the top 7.
Ya que nos encontraste, no nos pierdas. Suscríbete a nuestro canal de YouTube de Telemundo Deportes.